Hi folks, it's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I'm inside the house right now. We'll go over something on this Facebook page with you. Rvdiagnostics and troubleshooting. Some of you don't know it. I'm sure some of you do. So this is for the ones that don't. I'm going to flip this around and show you a little bit. Before you post on here, there's a search section and it really works. You don't have to be super detailed. You can just put in water heater. Watch now. I'm gonna flip this around, and what happens because the screen is oscillating across? I mean, it's changing. You'll see a little bit of a pattern shift, but all right, it's pretty steady right now. But I'm gonna see what the video looks like. So I got this. All right, and right up here, right there, this is the search button. Right there, a little magnifying glass. Alright, so I'm going to hit this, bring it up, and it says look at, now this is on a laptop. On a cell phone, it's all the way on the top right hand side, so search. So I'm going to put water heater. Alright, and then I'm just going to hit enter. It's going to bring up just about every post. So the newest one, November 30th. And both AC units running, electric water heater on. See, now look at that. Electric water heater on, coffee pot. So that really doesn't have much to do with the water heater. So we could go back, or we just keep looking. All right, now that's some of those videos I did. There's your videos and pictures. Right, okay. There you go. October 26th will be step-by-step like water heater series I just did. So let's go back to the search option, okay? Over here when it comes up, water heater, not working. Right there, see it? Water heater not working. Let's put that in. Alright, now look, see, a whole different thing came up. So September 22nd, 97, Class C. Sadly, the hot water heater will not work. The outward switch and the side lights up, but nothing on the water heater or propane is working as the fridge works. Does anyone have any thoughts? There are, look at my little cursor, my little hand right there, 26 comments. So we could bring this thing up. Now, yeah, you're going to have to read a little bit, alright? It's okay. Alright, so so you probably need to check for power going to the circuit board. Well, that would be 12 volt or 120. But notice right here, there's 10 replies right there. So to that was 10 other replies. Let's go look. Open it up. Alright, now look at that. See? Dale, I did find 12 volts and a couple wires going to the circuit board. There's a specific test that should be performed. Thanks. Now, this is just one. All right, so let's go. Let's go back. Go back to the search option right there. See, it went back to the main screen. When you see that, yes, I'm in Delaware. That's my garage right out there. Big old 52 by 39. There's my beaver way back there. My old girl, she's outside right now. I got another one inside that I'm working on. So I'll bring up search. All right. Now, something. There you go. So let's look up lights. Something very basic. Lights. Oh man, there could be all kind of problem for lights. All right. So the dimmer switch itself was bad. I ordered a new one, thanks. My kitchen lights on a dimmer and the LED bulb. Now, that was just 7 hours ago. Okay? So you could even go over, look, lights. Once it comes up with all the responses here, lights. So lights, dash lights. Let's see, I might put it in backwards. Fleetwood Excursion, my dash gates are inoperative. The light bar, there you go. So you can put a bunch of words in here or just one or two to narrow it down. You could put even like Norcold. Let's see what happened. Norcold. Oh, we got a bunch of Norcolds. 12 hours ago. That's a 2118 series. All right. Well, 10 comments. Now here I'm going to show you something else too. I try to tell everybody who I am. I'm Jeff, the founder of Rvdiagnostics. I've been a mechanic for, I don't know, almost 50 years. So I'm going to go back. Home, which I am at the home page. Now, let's just go here. All right. What's on my mind? So I'll type in what's on my mind. Now I want you to notice something over here. You can tell. Some of you don't know. It's loading. It's going to let me do my thing. All right. So write something. Hi. Look at symbol. Yes. I guess. So I'm going to post it. All right, now watch. I'll take the post off later. So it's going to bring it up. It posted it. You see that right there? That little right there. That one. That little star shield. That's me. That's an admin, see? There's monitors too on there, okay? There's a bunch of monitors on there. We got about 5 people, 6 people out there helping me. So, and a lot of people. But when you see that in a separate thing, and I say, hey, message me. See, look, for those, the multimeter, it ain't the best multimeter. It's a cheap one to get you by. Look at that. Admin. Let's go down here now. All right. Let's see, I'll find you another one. All right, so here's a bunch of comments. 11 comments more. I think I commented on this page. So I'm going to look for my name. Well, I don't see myself. I could have sworn I did this one. It's all right. I'm just trying to teach you how Facebook works, okay? Now let's say you want to message me, right? All right, so I'd go right here. Say you see my picture, right? Like up here, watch. I'll go back up. I'm going to get my picture. All right, so, hey, you two in there. That's my dog's acting up. I'm inside the house. So there's my picture. You take that, highlight it, right? Right there. And it'll say a little bit more. You go over to this guy right here, right? The little 3 dots. Activity log, profile, and tag setting. Well, that's not what I wanted to show you. So let me put it on pause and we'll get it. Okay, now you're on the main page. All right, just on a laptop. You go up here to where it says Messenger, that little Messenger squiggly line sign. You highlight it. You want to get a hold of me. All right, you type in JEFF. That's all. You hit enter. JEFF. There I am right there. So you want to message me. Say, hey Jeff, I got this problem in my RV. All right, that was me, Prime Lights, American made stuff right there. So I'll say, hi Jeff, I have a problem. So I go right here, and it's going to go ding on my end, and I'm going to answer you. All right, so hopefully this is helping you. Now, here's another way to look at something. So we get it, there's Messenger. Now, let's say, I'll put you on pause, show you how to do videos that are on here. All right, so you're on the main page. All right, and you go right, this bar right here, pull down menu, go to more, and then you go to media, and that will be all the videos and pictures that have been put on this page. Okay, let's see. We'll just keep going. Look at that. There's a lot of people posting stuff on here. Huh? That's another way to do a search. Okay, all kind of stuff on here. Oh, look at that fuse burnt up. All right, now the next one is there's files on here to help you learn. So you go to more, you go to more and more files. There's wiring diagrams on here, not for every vehicle, but you know, if you download some, it would be very helpful instead of me doing it all. Let me put you on pause. All right, so see right here, it's F53 chassis, right? Wiring diagram. I loaded it up October 26 at 2:08 a.m. Yeah, in the morning. I was kind of sleepless that night. So you hit that, you highlight it, and it'll bring up the post, and then you hit that, it'll download it for you, and then you can print it out. All right, so I'm just trying to help you on here. Well, there's my puppy over there chilling. Notice the edge of the cabinet is chewed. I wonder who did that. Anyway, so it's downloading. I'm going to put you on pause and wait till it loads fully. All right, so we're back. That's 2014, right? 6.8 F53 chassis. It shows you where the fuses are, hot at all times, hot and start. It gives you, there's your wire diagrams to the ABS system. All right, so I'm trying my best to help you on here. If you don't know how to read them, message me. All right, so let's go back. Let's go to this one. All right, so we did more. All right, we get it. Now, events. Are there any events? I've had one or two, but I'm kind of staying away. There's no upcoming events. I'm busy enough. Now, let's say like announcements. Okay, that's a very important section because announcement is where a lot of my satisfied members are of the website. And I put stuff like that day I put about that meter. It isn't the highest quality meter. I'll not expect you to be out there on a junction box out there on the side of the road troubleshooting AC with this. It's not a category 3 or a 4 or anything like that. It's just a good overall cheaper meter to help you out, and I can help you with it. So there's all right. So okay, folks, I'm running on my website. You go here till December 24th. You buy 1 year, you get 6 months extra. That's less than $7 a month, folks. All right, and there's the video that I put. How to use a meter. Now this guy, he was pretty neat, man. He helped me out. He was having a problem with his water pump. Okay, and he actually had a variable speed water pump. That's why you go to announcement section. I put some real important stuff in there. And then there's that one. All right. Products Arco by Anderson Brass Company. There I am talking about how to post on this page. That is very important. There's another meter kit that I told everybody about. All right, and there's another video I did. 2 types of scanners. I'm giving scanner classes on the side there. There's Hot Shot Material. You need to call her, Erin Hauser, right there. She got for gas and diesel, automatic transmission fluid enhancers. That's a very good product. But what I'm trying to do is show you the announcement section. So you learned a little bit about Facebook page and how to guide yourself through it. All right. So that I'm gonna turn it around. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Remember, there's about 4 ways to get a hold of me. One is on the Facebook page, which is almost 16,000 members, and it's not even 2021 yet. So March the 13th, 2021 will be its 3rd year. So I'm like 500 members away. It's not even Christmas yet, December 22nd of 2020. The next way to get me is on the YouTube channel, right? You're going to see me there, what you're watching now. There is like 150 videos. I make them small increments. This one's going on 15, 16 minutes. So it's how to navigate the Facebook RV Diagnostic page to make it beneficial to you. The other way is to get me at my garage, right, which is in Delaware, which is that big old thing out there, 19973 Seaford, Delaware. All right, so that goes way back there. I got a parking area back there for RVs with that gravel on it, and it's got a separate septic system back there. I got one for the house, one for the RVs. So, and I have a place for stay if I'm tearing your RV up, and you can learn. And the garage will be air conditioned one day, so that's going to cost you a little bit, like $2 a day. And the other way to get me is through one-on-one video chat through this phone, like I'm talking to you now, and I'm guiding you step by step. That's in the announcement section of Facebook RV Diagnostic and Troubleshooting. I think it's like $80-$90 a year, folks. That's cheap to have me in your back pocket. And there's plenty of people, thousands that are satisfied, saving $3,000 to $5,000 a year. But you know what's more important than that? They're learning their RV, and they actually need me less and less. So it works. They learn their RV. That's all I worry about. I don't worry about if you know how to work on a Tiffin or that one or this one or this one or that one, on a fifth wheeler, a pop-up. You're going to learn how to fix your RV and where the components are. So that way, I help you troubleshoot faster. All right, so this is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Remember, there's the Facebook page. There's the YouTube channel. There's the website. And then there's my garage. Thank you very much. I'm going to post this one, and I'll see y'all out there.